Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Adil and today's video is all about a Mercedes E-Class that we've upgraded the dated factory screen with Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. If you are new to our channel and haven't seen us before, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. And remember, guys, we've got that awesome competition live on our channel as well. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 Disc Edition controller as well as an Audison Prima 8.9 amplifier, so you guys at home can upgrade the sound in your vehicle. So make sure you go check that out. However, let's get on with today's video. So this customer came into us looking for a solution and we've delivered exactly that, adding so much functionality into the vehicle. The dated Mercedes screen is now upgraded, actually with nothing on display. What we've got integrated in to the factory screen is an integrated Apple CarPlay solution as well as Android Auto. So your functionality live directly from your phone links through into that screen. We've got Waze, we've got Apple Maps, we've got Google Maps, we've got so much more integration into the actual vehicle, not only making it easier to go around driving the vehicle. Obviously you've got all your map integration, but also you can enjoy your music side of things because we've got Tidal integration, Spotify integration, all live directly on that screen. So loads more functionality, all utilizing factory controls in the vehicle to control it, and all via the factory screen. So a really nice upgrade, and these kits are not only available on this car, they are available on plenty of others. So make sure you get in touch. We actually did an upgrade on a Lamborghini Aventador owned by Wilfred Zaha. His system had an integrated Apple CarPlay kit into that screen. So many cars are able to be done with these solutions, and they are becoming more and more popular. If you're interested in something like this, make sure you get in touch with us on any of our social media platforms. All of the links for those are down below. So thank you very much, guys, for watching today's video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it, and remember, we've got that massive competition live on our channel as soon as we hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. So thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.